Well, good morning. Welcome to today's Morning Moxie. We are going to have a quick one as we discuss the business of life well lived. As you know, I like to share a few of my favorite things, and today I'm sharing my go-to smoothie when I want to be or feel particularly healthy. This is a kale smoothie, and I'm sharing that the NutriBullet is the best invention since sliced bread, so I hope you have one of those. And then a little meal prep. You can see that when you get your bag of kale, number one, that's really the only piece that takes a long time. So I am inviting you to get the kale, and it's already cut and washed, but I just give it another rinse. But more importantly, I remove some of those big stems because some of them are pretty thick. In a NutriBullet, you might be able to blend them away, but I don't want to blend for hours, so I do remove most of the big stems. And I'm suggesting the Tuscan kale because it is darker than what you typically see, such as the baby kale. And you know the phytonutrients, the darker the green, the better usually for you. So what do we have? We have your Tuscan kale, almond milk, vanilla unsweetened. I put in about 4 or 5 strawberries, sliced bananas, plain yogurt, fat-free, and any supplements and powders that I happen to have on hand. And then, of course, a serious dose of honey, maybe a tablespoon or so of raw honey for digestion, and, of course, as a little sweetener. So I hope you will try my super green kale smoothie. It is just part of a great morning routine that I like to do. And again, just get your kale, cut it, and rather separate it ahead of time, as you see in these large mason jars, and that way you are fresh out of excuses for not having your super green every day. This is like one good thing, OGT, that I like to talk about. So whatever else happens to your day, if you do your 1GT first thing in the morning, mix this up for breakfast, mix it up for lunch, you are good to go. So that has been today's Morning Moxie as we celebrate the business of life well lived. And this is Larisa. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video. Ciao.